Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, June 3rd. I was looking for follow through to the upside even though we didn't have much fundamentals coming out as we discussed. I think we also talked about that in the advanced video, but we didn't get that follow through. We get basically in the NASDAQ market, got a very neutral position as the market waits for the more fundamentals we're going to see in the latter part of the week. People are really going to be focusing on Thursday and Friday's numbers. My bias is still for a move to the upside in the NASDAQ market. Now, we had some positive news kinda coming out about Greece. The market liked that, and you can see the euro really took off to the upside. In fact, Mr. Yen even traded above by one tick above that bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $3,725 per contract. Again, just to give you a feel of that magnitude of change. If we take a look at the Aussie dollar, it also traded above its bullish level, and the difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market was $3,625 per contract. I'm looking for a rest day today in that market. British pounds also traded above its bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish in that market is $1,312.50. And over here in our friend the Canadian dollar, the difference between that bearish and bullish market as we traded above that. That difference is $1,100 per contract. Remember also there are microcurrency contracts that you can trade that are 1/10 the size of the contracts that we're looking at here. Let's move on though, and let's take a look at what's going on with those interest rates. I like it. The 10-year notes break to the downside. I'm looking for further movement, slower but not a dramatic move in today's session. I think that's going to happen possibly on Thursday or Friday. If we take a look at the gold market, sideways is what I'm looking for. This is a software setup, by the way, for the Asia session. We're trading right here in Asia, but I'm looking for a sideways move for Wednesday's action in gold, not a bias type move. Now crude oil did firm up because the dollar got weaker. I'm very skeptical of this market, so I don't have a lot of confidence for follow through to the upside. But natural gas did trade above its bullish level, and the difference between the bearish and bullish level in natural gas is $825 a contract. I'm looking for a rest day today in that market. And in the grains, soybeans did firm up. We got some news coming out of South America. If you look at some of the plantings, there are some concerns on that, and we're seeing some upward pressure. By the way, corn did trade above its bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $150 a contract. I'm looking for a rest day today in the grain market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again. In the meantime, take care.